Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all workshop items at once in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library or main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can access various settings and features related to your account. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll see several options and categories listed there. Among these options, locate and click on workshop items. This section contains all the user-generated content and mods you've subscribed to across different games in your Steam library. It's essentially a hub for managing all your workshop subscriptions in one convenient place. After clicking on workshop items, you'll still be in the right panel area. Now you need to click on subscribed items. This will filter your view to show only the workshop content you're currently subscribed to, making it easier to manage them all at once. You'll now see a complete list of all your subscribed workshop items from various games, which might include maps, mods, skins, or other custom content you've collected over time. Now, here's where the magic happens. Still in the right panel, look for an option that says unsubscribe from all and click on it. This powerful feature allows you to remove all your workshop subscriptions in one single action, saving you the hassle of manually unsubscribing from each item individually. This is particularly useful if you've accumulated hundreds of workshop items over the years and want a fresh start. After clicking unsubscribe from all, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Steam's way of making sure you really want to proceed with this action, since it will remove all your subscriptions at once. Simply click OK to confirm your decision, and Steam will immediately begin processing your request and unsubscribing you from all workshop items across all your games. And that's it, you've successfully unsubscribed from all workshop items in your Steam account at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.